doing this week. Poor old Voyager is 35 years downrange, and I make it sound like each week it's doing something new. WS2N, K2LIW, and I think it's space report number 139, if I got the records correct. You got it, Paul?
Hey, Dick, did you ever think of how much it costs to send Voyager out there? What do we get per mile? That's a good way to look at it. Over to you.
Yeah, miles per gallon, or when it comes to watts per mile, oh boy, that is definitely the record setter. Go ahead, Paul.
Okay, very good. I would imagine it's out there so many years that the cost, you're going to have to figure what it would cost 37 years ago to do the same thing. So you got to figure for inflation. I think in a couple of weeks, the Voyager 1 should be up to 138 AU. Wow. Well, this WS2, WS2N, space report. TechNet, 139. Yeah, well, since I've been keeping record on the computers, yeah, that's what we're up to. I want to talk about this SMAP mission, SMAP. One that went up at the end of last year. We kept track of that. That's the one that had the 20-foot diameter dish antenna, and when it gets up to a position, it was going to open it up to the full size, roughly 21 feet diameter, and they did that and it successfully opened. And now in about another month they'll start spinning it at 5 revolutions per minute. That's what I want to see. I want to see this thing, see how it spins without wobbling. But all is good on that mission. That's the one that's going to detect all the moisture up to a couple inches below the soil, around the whole globe, a couple of times a week, complete analysis. So, interesting setup. There's a new Mars mission that they're planning on sending to Mars. Don't have a name for it yet, but they don't have funding for it. But based on the success of all these rockets that have been going up lately with ion engines, they plan on sending one up in 2022. That'll be a communication type of